Today, we're diving into the billions in unclaimed assets just sitting there waiting for their owners, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to check if a piece of that fortune belongs to you. So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll get into the jaw-dropping scale of all this forgotten money. Then we'll look at the official mission to get it back where it belongs. After that, I'm going to give you the digital keys, the exact websites you need to unlock it. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a simple action plan so you can go and claim what is yours.
All right, let's get right into it. How much money are we actually talking about here? Well, you might want to sit down for this because the numbers, they're honestly staggering. But before I throw these huge numbers at you, let's just make this personal for a second. Think about it. An old savings account from a first job, maybe an insurance policy a grandparent took out years and years ago. You know how it is. Life gets busy, people move, details get lost, and these things are so easily forgotten. Is it possible your family has a financial secret just waiting to be found?
Okay, you ready? Here's the first number. In dormant bank accounts alone, there is a whopping 78,000 crore rupees. Just to put that into perspective for you, that is more than the entire budget for India's space program. It's just sitting there, waiting. Oh, but we're not done. Not even close. Add another 14,000 crore rupees to that pile from unclaimed insurance policies. We're talking about matured plans, life-saving funds that were simply never collected by the people they were meant for. And it just keeps going. There's another 12,000 crore from unclaimed mutual funds and unpaid stock dividends. So when you add it all up, we are talking about well over 1 lakh crore rupees. That is a fortune, and it belongs to the people of India. And this brings up a really crucial point. These aren't just numbers on a screen, right? Behind every single rupee is a person, a family. It's someone's hard-earned life savings, a fund for a child's education, a parent's retirement plan that they worked their whole life for. So with more than 1 lakh crore just lying around unclaimed, you have to ask, what's being done about it? Well, that brings us to the mission to get this money back to its rightful owners. The government's response is this really powerful initiative called Aapki Punji, Aapka Adhikar. And the translation really says it all. Your money, your right. It's a clear, direct, and simple promise. Kicking off in October 2025, the mission's goal is refreshingly simple. Just to give every single citizen the tools they need to find and get their money back. No crazy complicated processes, just direct access. And you know what? We already have proof that this kind of effort works. Previous campaigns have already returned almost 2,000 crore rupees to their owners. So this shows that when the system is there, your search can actually pay off. Big time. Okay, so you know the money is out there, and you know there's a mission to return it. Now for the big question. How do you actually find it? Let's get to the good part, the practical stuff, the digital keys that will unlock this treasure. And honestly, the best part is you don't have to go digging through dusty old files or navigate some bureaucratic maze. The whole process has been brought online with dedicated, really user-friendly portals that are designed to make your search as simple and transparent as possible. Okay, listen up because this slide right here, this is your treasure map. For real. So if you're looking for old bank deposits, you're going to use the UDGAM portal, which is run by the RBI. For any unclaimed insurance money, the portal you need is Bima Bharosa from IRDAI. Searching for mutual funds? That's CB's MITRA portal. And finally, for any company dividends or shares, you'll head over to the IEPFA portal. I mean it, take a screenshot of this. This is your guide. All right, you've got the map, you have the keys. Now let's put it all together into a simple, direct plan to go out there and claim what is yours. It really just boils down to 3 super easy steps. First, just check with your family. Ask your parents, your grandparents about any old accounts or policies. Second, visit those portals we just talked about. It takes maybe 10 minutes to run a search with your family members' names. And third, if you find something, don't wait. Follow the instructions and start the claim process. You literally have nothing to lose. And don't worry, if you or someone in your family isn't super comfortable with computers, there's a solution for that too. Physical help centers or facilitation camps have been set up in hundreds of districts with a special focus on rural and remote areas to make sure absolutely everyone gets a fair chance to search.
You know, this quote from the initiative, it really just says it all, doesn't it? Your money is yours. Let us make sure that it finds its way back to you. It's a simple, powerful promise, and it's at the very heart of this whole thing.
So I'll just leave you with this thought. What if you found a forgotten asset? What would that mean for you? A down payment on a house? Maybe that dream trip you've always talked about? Or just some welcome financial breathing room? There is only one way to find